Okay guys, another thing that we looked at was adding and subtracting. And I'm not going to say errors this time, I'm going to say uncertainties. So uncertainties. Okay, adding and subtracting uncertainties. I keep hitting the wrong key there. Let's get rid of that. Okay, adding and subtracting uncertainties. Let's draw a line under that. Adding and subtracting uncertainties. The example I drew out, and I will keep switching colours again. So let's say that, well actually let's give an example of an uncertainty first. So I said that we could have, for example, 5 plus or minus 0.1 grams. That's a uncertainty, and if you remember, this is our value. Now the 0.1 is the uncertainty, so that's the uncertainty right there. Okay, so we've got 5 plus or minus 0.1 as an example. Now in class, I'll do it the same way with the colours. So we had, for example, a value of A. I'm going to lighten this red up a little just so we can definitely see it. I think that's better. So we've got a value of A, plus or minus, so with an uncertainty of X. So uncertainty of X, and that is equal to two values that we've put together. So that is value B and value C. And value B has an uncertainty of Y, and value C has an uncertainty of Z. So all of these letters are just placeholders for numbers. Now we know the value of B and C because we've measured them, and we've determined the value of Y and Z by looking at the measurement equipment. Let's say that we've subtracted C from B, and we've found the value of A, so we know what the value of A is. So our only unknown right now is the value of X. So how do we determine the uncertainty of X when we know the values and uncertainties of the numbers that have gone into this? Well, first of all, to find A, just to clarify, we've found A by simply adding, subtracting, I forgot which way around I was going, by subtracting C from B. So B minus C gives us A. So we've got the value for A. Now how do we determine the uncertainty for A? Well, it's as simple as the uncertainty, X, is equal to the sum of the uncertainties in the equation, and that's the case whether we have subtracted B and C or if we've added B and C together. So whether it's plus or minus within the equation, if it's an addition or a subtraction, we add the errors together. So just to note, we always add, I keep saying errors, add the uncertainties together. Let's close that. Okay, always add the uncertainties together. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Don't forget, don't forget, don't forget.